Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to upload big clip to Discord in a simple and safe way. If your video is too large and Discord shows a file size limit error, follow these steps. First, understand the limit. In the free Discord plan, you can upload files up to 25 MB only. Bigger clips will not upload. To upload very large clips directly, you need Discord Nitro, which increases the upload limit. Method 1. Compress your video. Use any video compressor or editor, reduce the resolution or length, and keep the size under the limit. Then upload it again in chat or server. Method 2. Trim the clip. If only part of the video is important, cut the unnecessary parts to make the file smaller. Method 3. Upload through cloud storage. Upload your big clip to Google Drive, via OneDrive, Dropbox, or any cloud service. Then copy the share link and paste it in Discord. Others can watch or download it from the link. Method 4. Use screen recording instead of full video. Record only the important section and share that smaller recording. Remember, do not use unsafe websites, hacks, or bypass tools that claim to remove Discord limits. These can be risky and break Discord rules. So, that is how you can upload a big clip to Discord safely using compression, trimming, cloud links, or Nitro. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.